Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back again. Yes, if you're new to this channel, you're welcome. Thank you so much for coming. So today I'm back with another video. As you can see, the title, Panino Napoletano. So this is the kind of snacks we have here in bars. In fact, if you have been in Napoli, you'll be able to testify. Every bar you enter there, you will see this Panino Napoletano. So today I'm showing you how to do it at home. Yes, we have the ingredients here. I've written them down. Flour Manitoba 200 gram. There's kind of flour we call here Manitoba. So we have flour tipo zero 300 gram. 2 of them is needed for the recipe. Black pepper 1 teaspoon, fresh yeast 3 gram, warm water 300 ml, lard 30 gram, salt 10 gram. So you start by mixing all the dry ingredients, including the fresh yeast and also the lard. You mix every one of them together. Make sure that you mix them very well for them to join together. It will be a little bit hard, but never mind. Don't try to join another water now. The type of flour that I used here will make it not to be strong even after you baked it. So cover it. You can leave it in the fridge for 8 hours or overnight. Like mine, I did it in the evening and leave it for overnight. This is after the night, the next day. We have dry bacon, we have fiareri, we have diced ham, we have egg for coating, and we have diced sausages. So let me talk a little bit about the fiareri. This is one of the vegetables that we have here in Italy. In fact, this is a really season for that. This fiareri is very nice. It's a very nice vegetable. It's bitter, yes. It's bitter. It's like our bitter leaves, but it's very, 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 very medicinal. So if you have not been eating this, the first day I heard about the benefit of this fiareri, I said no. Anytime it's the season of it, I always use it. I always cook it. You cook it in many ways. Do you know that you can cook your goosey soup with this? You can use it to do, because the benefit are so much. You can Google it. The Romans call it broccoletti, yeah, and here in Napoli we call it fiareri. So you can see the flour. I divided the dough. I divided it into two. So I'm trying to work on it. That is it. This is the filling of it. So this vegetable, when I got it first, you wash it with salt or bicarbonate. You wash it anyhow. So after that, you just boil it a little. Then you remove it, sieve it, then fry it a little, not too much. That is how I got this one. Use a extra virgin oil for that, and the garlic to fry it. Not just like cooking it a little bit, not to fry it too much. So I didn't cut the vegetable because, as you can see, after filling it, I will still cut the dough as you're washing me, so no need of cutting it. Open while you're baking it in the oven. Remember, preheat your oven 180 degrees. Yes, and you bake for 30 to 40 minutes. It's done. So even if you don't see this, you don't have this vegetable around, you can use any other. You can use spinach for this, but traditionally what they use for this kind of snacks is fiareri. This vegetable is very medicinal. I'm telling you, it's very medicinal. If you have not been eating it and you're in Italy, look for it. This is the season for it. Very good. Because of the benefit of it, Italians doesn't play with it. They eat it in many ways. Okay, this is the second dough I make. You know, I divided it into two. So I'm trying to make the second one. this is the final stage. This is the result of what I have been doing since. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Yummy, yummy, very sweet. Try it and you'll love it. Bye.